Here is an area, and I know I keep saying that I'm going to start moving quickly, and I am, because we've done multiplication to death. So I'm not going to belabor the point. The way that you find length, or the area of a rectangle, is length times width. If you have the area and one of the sides, you can divide the area by the side you have to get the side you need. And we're going to do that a whole bunch of times really fast right now. That's 6 squared is 36. That's 4 by, whoa, hold on. Which one has 24 square meters? That's 8 by 3. Choose 2 answers. It's also 6 by 4. That area is 50 square centimeters. That square is 9 square centimeters, 3 times 3. 36 is 8 times, no, it's not 8 times 4, that's 32. I almost got caught there. This is what happens when you go too fast. It's 6 times 6, it's also 9 times 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 squared is 16. Done and done. Find the missing side length when you have the area. Let's see if we can get through this just as fast. 28 divided by 7 is 4. 18 divided by 6 is 3. 36 divided by 6 is 6. 56 divided by 8 is 7. 36 divided by 4 is 18, 9. Just to be transparent about my thought process, when I divide by 4, I tend to divide by 2 and then divide by 2 again because it's a lot easier for me. 72 divided by 8 is 9. 20 divided by 4 is 5. And that's it. Like I said, area is just multiplication and division again. And I'm going to say this a lot. There are going to be a lot of times when I'm going to say it's just multiplication and division again. We might want to make a meme out of it because it will come up a lot. Compare areas by multiplying. Which one is the largest? 3 by 4 is 12, which is going to be the biggest one. So that's Gustavo's blanket. 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 3 is 9. And that's important. It's important to be able to figure out which one has the larger area without being able to necessarily look at it and tell. When two things are different shapes, you're not always able to visually tell which one covers the most space. For example, these two, I can't tell at all. It looks to me maybe like the purple one is slightly larger than the blue one, but I don't know that for sure. Okay, so they're looking for the one with the larger area. Well, let's find out. 10 by 7 is 70. 9 by 8 is 72. So it is the purple one, which is Tim's. But again, it's not always visually obvious which one has a higher area, especially when it's that close. 70 and 72 are very, very close. Greatest area. So 7 times 5 is 35. 10 times 3 is 30. So A is the correct answer. Which one has the largest area? 10 by 9 is 90. And I could tell that that's the best one because it has the two highest numbers, right? Higher numbers multiplied together means a higher result. I hope that makes sense. So when I found the one that has the two highest numbers, a 10 and a 9, that's going to be the one with the highest area. Moving on to quiz 3. Again, just blitzing it as fast as I can go, hopefully without getting anything wrong. 36 divided by 4 is 8? No. 36 divided by 4 is, I just did this, 9. Jesus. Greatest area, 6 by 3 is 18, 4 by 4 is 16. The answer is A. This is 7 by 5, which is 35. 6 by 6 is 35, or 36. 7 by 5 is 35. The one that is smaller, ha 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 ha, I almost effed this one up. If Rafaela wants to fly the carpet with the smaller area, even when you are moving quickly through your assignments, or even when your student is trying to move quickly through their assignments, if your student finds that they are frustrated a lot and making mistakes a lot, two things I recommend. A, go slower. I mean, I know it's sometimes frustrating to force yourself to go at a slower pace than you want to go, but it's better than having to redo the assignment a million times. And second, make sure you read the instructions. That's all. I mean, it's easy to forget, and it's totally fair and it's totally natural. I almost picked the larger one because that's just what we've been doing up to this point. Anyway, so the smaller one is the polka dotted one with 35 instead of 36. The length is 11 meters. All right, that is quiz, what was that, quiz 2? I don't even know anymore. Quiz 3.